on, everybody? I'm B. Adams. Thanks once again, for tuning in to the channel. And if you already paid attention to the thumbnail, then you already know. Yes, it's true. We bought us a work stand for the Losi, baby. Yep, if you've been following along with us, then you already know that we have had a few situations, both me and the co-captain, which required us to turn ourselves into RC car mechanics. Now, with us being newbies to the game and all, and looking around and seeing how the pros that know fix their cars, we really found out that we were lacking a lot in the tool department. Everybody else got a work stand to put their car on and special tools, and we still using them hex keys, and I really had to step our game up. No, I didn't go out and buy every exotic special tool, RC car tool in the world that they make. No, I didn't. What I did was I found a little deal on Amazon for a nice package with a car work stand, tools, and, a nice little kit for, for me to have to be able to work on the Losi, baby. Amazing deal I got this for. I think that's why I got it. Amazing deal I got this for. It was like 26 bucks I paid for this little ensemble you all are about to see. And I'm about to see it for the first time too, because I tried to be as transparent as I can with you all on our journey on this channel. So this will be my first time also seeing this package. I do not know what I'm about to look at. I could get cheated out of my money and you all will be seeing it on camera. I hope that does not happen. But let's dive into what we have. All right, good old Amazon Prime. Got our packaging to us, and I am gonna lie, I did open this before I started recording, only because I only opened the package because, you can see my hands. It doesn't, from what I saw on the picture, I don't think everything should fit in this little box. I'm going to keep my fingers crossed on this one. Because, yeah. All right, now look. Now, you can see this is what I purchased. It don't look like it should all fit in that box. See, this is what I'm saying. I'm trying to be transparent because I'm hoping I did not get stiffed out of my money. Because all of that, I don't think it should fit in that little box. Maybe it does. I don't know. But let's see. They always say these pictures can be deceiving. Let's check it out. Here we go. Here we go. Let's see what we got. Okay. Okay, this looks like the car stand. Little tray. Okay, for the screws, definitely need that. This looks like our hex screwdriver. Different sizes. You definitely need this. Definitely needed this. This is going to save so many headaches. Got us a 4-way tool. Guess this looks like maybe for the wheels or the slipper clutch, maybe. Cool. And we got some tweezers for, I guess, some little small intricate parts. Guess we'll find a way to need those. And we have a little screw set. Looks like it has the screws, all the connectors, the pieces for the body, the slide locks for the body. Oh man, got some pretty nice stuff in this kit. Got some pretty nice stuff, and I will say from the picture, it did look like this box should have been bigger, but I'm not gonna lie, from the tool aspect, it looked like we got everything. Everything looks like it was on the picture. Now, this is what concerns me, because this bag, look at this bag. Look at the size of this bag. And I'm being honest, it don't look like nothing is in this bag. My hand is bigger than this bag. This is where I feel like this is where we're going to get stiffed out our money, right here. This is where it's happened. This is where they did it to us. All right, let's move this out the way a little bit. Get this bag open. See what's going on. Okay. We got 2 plates, a beam, little foam things. Got the screws, some instructions. We gonna put this together. I'm gonna put this together, and we gonna see what we got. Cause I mean, it don't look bad. It don't look bad. I mean, you know, it looks like it possibly can hold the car up some. Let's just put this together. I'm finna put this together, and we gonna see what we got. All right, we got this thing together. I mean, it's not bad. It ain't bad. You know, twirls around. Got the foam on top. Got the foam strips on the bottom. I can remove those brown strips for it to be able to stick down, but I'm not going to stick it down here on this table. So, I mean, they're fine for right now, but I mean, it's not bad. My final opinion, it's not bad. What is about to be interesting is putting the car on here to see how it looks. So let's do that. All right, yes, sir. Got that boo thing sitting up there. Sitting up there looking like it's ready to be worked on. I mean, I'm not going to lie. It's not bad. It's not bad. It definitely holds the car up there. Definitely holds the car up there, you know. Don't look like it's going to fall off. You know, so, hey, that old saying, you get what you pay for. We definitely got what we paid for. And I mean, we got a bang for our buck, because this not bad. For 26 bucks, I mean, you know, I can't complain. I can't complain. At least we have something now to sit the car on to be able to work on it. And let me take this body off so we can get the full mechanic profile. Oh, yeah, that ain't bad. With the body off, that ain't bad. That's definitely something we could work with over here. Definitely something we can work with. Even though I thought this stand would be a little bigger, much bigger, I mean, I can't complain. You know, I can't complain. Like I say, for 26 bucks, this whole kit and caboodle definitely was worth it. Now we got something to hoist the car up on, to be able to work on it, take the tires off, do everything we need to do. Yes, sir. We on the road to being RC car mechanics, baby. Twirling this thing around, it seems to hold the car up pretty stable, you know. I can't complain. I'm gonna just go ahead and call this a W. I thought I was about to take an L, a massive L, but it turned out to be sort of a W. I'm just gonna say it's a W. I'm going to give us a W on this one. I know what you're looking at. I know what you're looking at. Yeah, I did it. I did it. I customized the wheelie bar wheels to match the rest of the set. Yeah, I did it. Taking a look in our case, we do definitely have a nice assortment of all of the screws that we will be needing. If we so happen to lose a screw, we have everything. And I see we have these black connectors for the body in here. So what I'm about to do is I'm about to put the black connectors on and get rid of these chrome ones, even though I see that the difference between these and these is these have a little curve. They're not flat. They have a little curve that curves up, I guess, makes easier for you to pull it out. So let's see what that looks like real quick. All right, we got them babies on there. They don't look bad. They don't look bad. What I will say is the only thing that bothers me is the fact that they're curved. I mean, I know the reason they're curved, but it just looks a little funny. So I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to end up bending those straight so they lay flush to the body. Other than that, I like the fact that they match kind of the ensemble of the car as opposed to the chrome. So yeah, we're just gonna flatten those down and keep those babies on, because that thing look like it's ready to lay some rubber down. We got to get this outside and lay some rubber down. Once again, I cannot express how glad I am that we have this right here. This is going to make the job way easier from using that little hex key that we've been using. Now, don't get me wrong. I'm glad we had the hex key set to help us out this far. But man, this right here is going to save us so much time. I'm glad we got it. I'm glad this came with it. This is definitely one of the reasons why I got this. All right, you know what we got to do? We got to tally it up. We got to tally it up, put it on the list, and see what we working with after our purchase. After the purchase of the RC car work stand and toolkit for $26 that we purchased off Amazon, our new total for everything we have spent on the Losi so far, $547. Yes, $547 we have so far spent all together on the Losi. Page is almost done. Page is almost full. We're going to be turning it on the back in a second. We're going to need another page in a minute. Now, as I said in the previous video, if you are not financially ready, I'm not even ready. I don't even know what I'm doing. I'm just out here off the whim. But if you are not financially ready to do this, don't do it. Don't do it. Because all it is just to get in the game. All of this stuff is just to get the car ready. And we ain't even done yet. We ain't even done. We basically just getting started. So, like I say, if you're ready to do this, if you want to do this, go ahead, do this. It's been a exciting journey so far. I'm not going to lie. It's definitely been super fun learning the ins and outs of the Losi and getting everything on this list. But adding it up, as you can see, it adds up quick. So if you're not ready to do it, don't do it. Watch me on YouTube, throw all my money away. But if you are ready to do this, then join us. Please get out there with me and the rest of the newbies that are getting out here learning what I'm learning, and join us. We're having fun. We out here having fun. I can't wait to lay some rubber down. Yes, now we have an RC car stand and the proper tools to be able to work on our Losis the right way, like RC car mechanics, baby. Definitely cannot complain about what came in the packaging. I am glad I did not get cheated out of my money. That would have been devastating on camera. Now, what I need you to do, if you haven't done so already, I need you to get down there and smash that subscribe button. I need you to get down in the comments, comment, and let us know what you think about our journey into RC car, no prep, drag racing thus far. Like the videos, tell a friend to tell a friend to tell two more friends to get in tune. I thank you all for tuning in. Till the next time, y'all, I'm B. Adams and I'm driving.